Hello and welcome to Pop's Jeep Shop. Today we're doing something we've been wanting to do for a while. They had them on sale, so we finally ordered them. We're installing lights. We got a 6-pack and an 8-pack of Barrina, I think is how they pronounce it. Barrina. It's their LCD light kits, which I'm sure you've seen. If you look at light kits at all on Amazon, you've seen these. This is the 6-pack here. Comes with 6 of your fluorescent strips there. Thin aluminum channel, thin plastic housing, plastic on the ends, but you attach them to something, so you're not really be messing with them that much. So, because it's 6 of your basic on-off switches, so you can plug them in individually like 6 desks, or you just each end has these funny little pluggy things on the end. And what you do is simply take your, how long is that? It's about 19.5, 20 inches long extension. Plug in the tail into one of them. Plug in the tail into the other one. Then we plug the other end into a regular power strip. Slide by, please. Which is this one. Plug this into an outlet. And then, come on, we just daisy chained them. One thing, you can daisy chain 6 or more. I've heard some people say that did 6, obviously, and I heard one guy talk about he daisy chained up to 12 of them, all going to one connection. We plan to do probably 6 or so, and it also comes with the clips you need to install them. Comes in 6 little packs. It comes another extension where you could plug this small clip into it and plug that into it, almost connect them almost directly together. Or it comes with a little dead end clip where you just block off the ports at one end. So if you put them all in, you had one end that's still technically live, you can plug it off altogether for safety. Let me open one of these bags up, make sure the mounting clips. Has a small mounting clip, 2 of them, 2 screws. Yeah, some people said they've actually just drilled these right in the drywall on the ceiling and popped them in. But these things weigh so little, there's really no weight, that much weight on them, and supposedly it holds up okay. If we were going in the drywall, I'd probably go with a more of an anchor kit. Then what you do, you just snap them in. So as you can see, there's no holes in this, so you just kind of pick 2 spots to hold it securely. Screw them in. We have a little different plan. We've got some ripped down 2x4s. These here are about 13.5 feet long. We plan to run basically down the center of the garage here. We're going to take our scrap wood, slide it back, make another support at the other end to hold it up tighter to the ceiling. Get that wood up and out the way. We're going to run one down the other side, just this side of the tracks, and they're going to both hang below the garage door open, so that we're fine with the garage doors open and closed. I'll probably want at least one going that way and one at the front, and so that'll be 3, 3, 2, so that's 8. We've got
14.
14, so that's 1 8 kit. That leaves us 6 more. So over here, got a fluorescent strip right there over my tool bench, you can barely see. I may end up taking that out and put a couple lights over there. Or I may probably take the fluorescent light we already have up over here. Move that one over a little bit. Move it over and hang 2 of them over there against this wall. And we may put some more maybe right down the center or something to that effect. I don't want to use them all just right off the bat. We're going to see how they work first. Everything I've seen online, these seem to work really good. So we're really excited to use them. We're going to get one of these 1 by, let's call it a 2x2. Basically about 1 3/4 by 1 3/4. We're going to screw them to one of these. 3 of them. Approximately where we want them. And then we'll show you what that looks like. And then we'll show you again, once we get it all up, we'll show you how that looks. Okay, we've screwed on 3 of them to this strip using the connectors, inner connectors. This one we ran to a drop light I have hooked up to a power source. We'll back up. You can see it's not too dark in here. We got some lights on. Gonna hit it. That is quite a bit of light. I think if you turn all the lights off in this garage, you probably won't be hard to tell the difference. So we had to hope to hang those up right above the Jeep. And we can see I really light the ceiling up good right now. Have those aimed down the side of the Jeep, both sides of the Jeep, across either end, front and back. And I think on this side we're going to spin it with rope, so just like suspend down the ceiling a little ways. And then we'll figure out how we're going to do the ends after that. This is a Barrina T5 integrated fixtures 8-pack. Same weld boxing as it came in last time. Slice over some bottoms. Piece of tape here. Okay. Go a separate piece of instructions, just like the 6-piece came with. 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 wide, 2 stack, 8 lights again. This time we get 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to get 4 of the on-off switches, which is the individual cables. Yeah, that's probably plenty. That's a single pigtail. That's the single pigtail. Oh, these are longer. Okay. Wow. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But these extensions are about 4-foot long bulbs, 4-foot long extensions. So those will work good. Then here where I'm going to put the, like I say, there again, just reorient ourselves. Lights down the center. Lights probably about 2 foot out from the wall, going down. And lights across each end. And so that's where those longer extension pipe work out great, covering the gaps around the corner. So we'll get some more of these strips put together and we'll get back with you. I want to get pictures of the integrated the sticker on the back of this integrated bulb. 20 watt. I don't know what these numbers mean. It's made in China, obviously. Alright, welcome back. As you can see, we got a cameraman in the shop that can't see them. We got it installed. A little ghetto. But you know, when you live here in the country, you use the parts you have without having to go to the store and buy more. So, but it's going to light the Jeep up really good, I think, to work on. I still got some of that. This one, only 8 of them. I still got a whole other kit of 6 left over. So we can put additional lights across here if we wanted to, or even light the other half of the garage, or use a couple of thrusters strips I took down that were on this side and move them over here. This adjustable extension ladder is really what makes putting these lights up easy, because you can adjust any height you need. Extend out, so it's really made it a lot easier to get around this garage, because it has so much stuff in it. Again, we'll turn the lights out, turn them back on, see what you think. Alright, we still got some light coming through the windows, but I'm not waiting till nighttime for this. But you ready? Let's put the lights on. 1, 2, 3, go! Well, that makes all the difference in the world there. You really tell the difference between this side of the room, where the LED strips are, compared to the other side of the room where it's the really yellow fluorescent light bulbs. And they're old light bulbs, I'll give them that. But still, I got 6 lights left. I'd almost go and replace a couple, just drop some new ones in there. Drop one over here. Looks really good. And you have to see what you're working on now.
Nothing should just be middle of winter.
Yeah. And with that, we'd like to give you a thank you. Please like, subscribe, follow us, please.
And we'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye!
Bye.